Hey cuz, hey, it's your girl AJ, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I take down these braids after 2 months. If you watched my last video, then you know that I did the Knotless box braids actually back in February, and it's been 2 months and this is what I'm looking like. So I'm letting y'all see all up close and personal how much growth and gunk and dandruff your girl got after 2 months, and that's what it looked like previously. And there's clearly tons of new growth, so that is 2 months worth of growth. I'm here for the growth, but I'm not here for these dusty braids, and these 2 braids are already taken out because some real ghetto stuff happened when I was in Atlanta, and girl, my braids came out. So anyways, moving on. Like usual, I always do my hair in sections, so these braids are not going to be any different. I'm going to section my hair off, and I usually work in 4 quadrants. So first quadrant, and I'm just going in for the kill, and for the kill I mean the cut. I really didn't even know where my hair stopped. I was just like winging it, because y'all know I'm already on the edge of cutting this stuff off anyway. So I just go in, I cut the hair, because there's no reason for you to take down hair, you know, if your hair is not down there. That's wasting time. So I just cut to near where my hair is, and I just start taking it down. And these braids are actually really easy to take down. The only hairstyle I've ever had trouble taking down was like my faux locks, but box braids have always been easy, and it only takes me an hour to take down my box braids at this size and this length. So that's what I do. And for the little gunk part that you get, if you watched my previous video, you know I used a water soluble gel or pomade, and this came apart really easily, and when I go to wash it, it's going to wash right out. I didn't have any problems, any buildup. It came out with just water and a basic shampoo, so that's why I decided to use that. You want to find out what product that was, you need to go watch that last video, sis. So I just go through each braid and I loosen up where that little knot is. And once I have a decent section, I just take this paddle brush and I'm just kind of like teasing at the roots a bit, just to like get some of that shed hair to come out, and then also loosen up where those knots were. And yeah, that's just what I do, so I don't have a hard time like trying to get shampoo onto my scalp. But I just make sure everything's like thoroughly detangled, because it makes the shampoo process a whole lot smoother, because I don't like my hair tangling when shampoo is in it, because the shampoo is already going to strip my hair down. Once I'm done detangling, I just keep on repeating these same steps, and it gets really redundant. I'm sure we all know how to take down our braids, but if you're not and you just want to see the process anyway, you can go ahead and head to my Instagram and you can check it out, because I'll put a video on there of the takedown for y'all. But this is the fro that I'm left with, and I was actually kind of feeling myself because my hair is growing. Okay, my fro is getting bigger, and I'm here for it. I'm not here for these raggedy bangs that I cut because I was about to have a big chop. I was in a hair crisis, but that's how much hair I lost so far, and that's only the beginning. So I jumped my butt in the shower, and I just put some warm water on my hair, and voila, my curls are back. People always ask me like, how you get your hair like that? Girl, I just get in the shower. So I'm just really drenching my hair, and when your hair is dry like mine was, because I hadn't washed my hair maybe only but once when them braids was in, so my hair was really dry, and my hair is just soaking up this water. Like, you can just see how much water is actually in my hair. It's just beautiful. The curls are coming through, the length is coming through. Like, oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at that hair, girl. Look at that hair. So I'm going in with this scalp therapy shampoo, and I'll leave it in the description box if you want to check it out. This is a scalp treatment. You leave it on your scalp for maybe 2 minutes. And I just got this because it's been a while since shampoo touched the scalp, and I just really wanted to make sure that I was doing myself a favor with doing this treatment. And it's really tingly, and it smells really fresh and nice, so I'm just making sure I get that all over my roots, because like I said, it's been a while and I got all kind of like sebum buildup on my scalp. Girl, it's just not cute. So I'm just making sure I focus on the scalp, and I'm making sure that I get all those little gunk knots out of my hair. Even though they came out really easily, I was just making sure like I was getting them like thoroughly out. Like I said, this is a scalp treatment and a shampoo, so I let that sit on for 2 minutes, and then I just start rinsing it out, making sure that I get all this out. And my hair looks really good, but it was actually really stripped, and that's what I love about this shampoo. It cleanses your hair so well But I'm still gonna go in with my Miche Beauty Cleanse shampoo because it's a moisturizer shampoo. I always shampoo twice, so I use a clarifying or some type of treatment shampoo, and then I follow it up with a moisturizing shampoo. And this is just gonna like give it back some softness, and then it's like a double cleanse. So it's gonna get like the rest of my hair clean or whatever, and just in case if I missed anything. So I'm just going in, and if you don't have this shampoo or you've never smelled like the Miche Beauty products, I don't know where you've been. They smell so good. Like, I was in love. They smell so good. But I couldn't find my deep conditioner, so that sucks. But you guys are gonna see what I condition with later. So once I'm done with my second shampoo, I rinse my hair out thoroughly, of course, but it's gonna be like really hard for me to detangle because, girl, this hair is stripped down to the bone and it hasn't been combed out in months. So I decided that I was going to deep condition, of course, but I wanted to get out of the shower because it's going to take me a little bit of time to detangle, like more time than usual, because it only takes me like 10 minutes to detangle on a good day. Do y'all see the skin though? Skin is popping. Like, oh my goodness. So the conditioner I'm using like right now on my hair is a conditioner that I made. Some of you guys know that I work with cosmetic chemists and they just be letting me play with stuff. So I just be making stuff up to take home. And this is just one of those conditioners and it works really well. So I can't really tell you how to make it because I don't know. I don't think I can duplicate it, but it's one of my good ones. Okay, I done made some bad conditioners, but this is one of my good ones. And I'm just distributing it all throughout my hair, making sure that we get every strand coated because I'm gonna need as much slip as I can get and as much moisture and lubrication because it's been 2 freaking months since my hair has had anything of substance on it. Okay, my hair is in a drought right now, and as you can see, like, them curls are already popping. Like, what? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cocktail this conditioner with the Mono's hair curl restoration treatment. This just has like some really nice ingredients that I want for like the curl bounce factor. So I'm just going to mix that conditioner with the conditioner I made, and I've done this multiple times, but it works so well together. So now that I put the Mono's hair treatment in, I'm going to detangle with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. Of course, this is my favorite detangling brush, and I'm just going to start at the ends because that's what we're supposed to do. Start at the ends. And then I'm just going to work my way up. And detangling actually wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Shout out to these conditioners because they came through for you, good sis. But the detangling process maybe took like 25 to 30 minutes, which is a very long time because I was up at like 2 in the morning doing this. So time that I needed to be asleep, I was using to detangle my hair, which was a nightmare, girl, because your girl like her sleep. But do y'all see that? Do y'all see that length? Do y'all see that elasticity? The bounce back though, like spring. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this clip of me playing and detangling my hair because it's actually oddly satisfying, and then I'll be back. So now that I'm finished detangling this half of my hair, I'm going to move on to the other side. And I always throw my hair into flat twists when I'm done with one section, just to get it out the way, and then I move on. And then once I'm finished, I am going to take both the flat twists out and then rinse my hair. Something funky happened with my footage, so you guys aren't going to see that part, but just know that's what happened. I actually rinsed out the conditioner. I do not sleep in conditioner. I rinsed the conditioner out after I was done detangling, so it was in my hair for about 30 minutes. So like I said, I just move on to the other side, and you guys aren't going to see that, but I did want to show you guys like how much shedding I have, and it's actually shedding. I do hair, if you don't know, and a lot of times I see people come in after braids and they have a lot of breakage at their roots, and I didn't have any. I don't know what y'all be doing. And a few people ask me like if braids cause breakage for me, and they don't. I don't know if you guys are getting your braids done too tight, if you're keeping them in too long, if you're doing too much tension on your styles while your braids are in, but I don't have any breakage at my roots. And if you are having breakage when you put your hair in protective styles, you may need to take a break, sis. Once I rinse out all my conditioner, I put my hair back into 2 flat twists. I use this little turban towel, and I make sure it's not tight because you don't want like tension on wet hair. And then I just throw this big old bonnet from the Main Choice on, and I take my butt to sleep. Okay? And this is my first wash and go after my box braids. It's cute, right? It's cute, right? So if you want to see what I did, be sure to subscribe and make sure you watch my next video, and I'm going to show you guys what I did for my first wash and go after my box braids. But that is my takedown video. I just want to show you guys like the takedown process for after 2 months and what happened after I kept my braids in for 2 months. Nothing serious happened. My hair is still healthy. I don't have any breakage. I may just need a haircut like for my shape up purposes, and you know, a good deep conditioning session maybe another week or 2. But that's it. I didn't have any problems, and I went from really cute braids to really busted braids to a really cute fro to a bomb wash and go. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button to see more videos from me, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload, because YouTube be janky. Anyways, follow me on Instagram at Amira J, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.